What do you think they're building? What is that kind of a?
That's for checking how stable the ground is.
Who knows, man? Who knows? How's Dave doing? Good. Yeah, timing's off, man. But it's not a problem. We can recover on the short timings. Everybody wants to know what's going on. Nobody's going to believe me about the dredging. But remember last year we did an interview with some guy, and he seemed to be on top of it. I think he even worked for the county. So, hey, good luck. I wonder where we get our water from. Oompa, oompa, oompa-dee-doo. If you are wise. Nah, we're just playing around. We have no idea.